This is pouring, which is the next after the spooning idea. This is a pouring of the grain. One thing that I should say, that if a child is left-handed, they will fix it so that they're pouring with their left hand. What they're using is usually their dominant hand here. My control of error is to check to see if I've spilled any. And then since my dominant hand is right, I'm going to return it there. This is a very important material for a child, especially in the beginning, this control of the fine motor. So the more that often that they do this, the more repetition that occurs, the better they'll get at it. As a directress, I have to actually perform it perfectly, but a child will often do many spills, so the repetition will emphasize the fact that the actual perfection of the pouring. Also, this is again an exercise for life. This pouring occurs in many other places in the classroom and is very necessary to thrive in the classroom, to be able to perform this. Children often do this material a lot because it is, to them, they love the sound of the beans. They just love the flow of the pouring. So often they just have this desire and this need to come to this material to pour it. Often older children come back to this material because they may have done something that was very big, like one of the math materials, and they come over here and it just calms them and soothes them. So also with the sequence, I said that this was after spooning. Both of those are done with grains before we move to water, because we want some repetition made here so that they are more successful with the water. Again, we're emphasizing one particular thing, and then the next material makes it just a little bit more difficult.